It's Jeff and Wilma at Budrum, and this afternoon we're going to harvest some sweet potatoes. So we've been harvesting sweet potatoes for the last 3 months, I guess, and having a good feed of them, but this time I found a few beauties in the ground, so I'm going to harvest those. If anybody heard us on the radio, if you want to hear my talks with Robert Blackmore on local ABC radio, just Google "if I can do it, you can do it." Now, I gave Rob a bit of a bum steer. I told him we have sweet potatoes every night for dinner, but actually we have sweet potatoes for 6 months of the year and potatoes for the other 6. So I'm getting ready to plant potatoes. So I'm just harvesting these sweet potatoes now. Let's have a look here and see what we got. Look at that. That's not a bad one. That's one there. Another one there. Now this whole area is sweet potatoes. Oh, look what's over here. That's all right. Oh, here. Ah. Gone a bit rotten, that one. The weevil got into it. I've got to be careful of that. I better harvest all these, seeing as they're around. A couple of sweet potatoes there, off that vine. Another one here. Have a look at that. There's that one. Oh, that one's been affected by something too. So I'll have to get rid of all the vine. Oh, yeah, it's only in the gold one so far. That one's not too bad. Weevils in that one too.
So it's all the gold ones affected?
Yeah, all the gold ones affected by the weevil. There's another one. He's alright. While you're here, check out our red dragon fruit. It's got quite a few on it. They haven't coloured up yet. All the gold ones affected. See, they're a different species.
Yeah.
See, and whatever it is that goes for it must only go for the gold. One's all right. Oh dear.
Is it all affected or just some?
It just seemed to get into one potato and leave the rest.
What's that growing there? Oh, it's one of those.
Elephant's foot.
Elephant's foot.
Yeah, elephant's foot, yeah. See, that's another thing about growing variety, is if you grow half gold and half purple, well then at least your purple ones are going to be alright. See, and you've got a different weevil that affects the purple ones. Wow, look at that.
Beautiful.
That's a beauty. So what I did was I put one gold, one purple, gold, purple. That's how I did it. It's heartbreaking. There's nothing in that one. Too close to the mulberry tree roots. The sweet potatoes don't like competing against the tree roots. Those yellow roots, that's the roots of the mulberry tree.
Yeah.
But we just got to sort out the gold ones and make sure we don't leave them laying around for those weevils to multiply. We've got some other sweet potatoes in the other bed, so I better keep an eye on those as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.
So I'm getting a bit of a feed out of these ones. You can see by peeling them, there's only, on some of these, it's only skin deep. It's only just a bit under the skin. So I'm getting what I can out of them, which is a feed. And that's all you really want, is just a nice feed.